Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you our new indoor window cleaning kit we've put together. The indoor window cleaning kit consists of a Technopad pad holder. This is a pad holder that you can either use by hand or on top of an extension pole. So it's a swivel pad holder, swivels in both directions, left to right or up and down. You're also going to get these 4x9 microfiber cleaning pads. You get 6 pads altogether in this indoor window cleaning kit. As well as you're going to get this bottle pouch holder and spray bottle, this little combo here. So you're going to use this type of kit in situations where maybe it's going to be a little bit too tricky to use a scrubber and a squeegee, maybe some very high windows or windows that are very awkward to get to. Maybe you're in a nice fancy home in the grand room. You don't want to bring in a ladder in case you do any damage. So you're going to want to use this on the pole. So what you would do is you would fill your bottle up with pure water. And actually what I recommend is pure water mixed with isopropyl alcohol, maybe either a 50-50 mix, water to alcohol, or a 60-40 mix, water to alcohol. You can also use distilled water mixed with isopropyl alcohol as well. The alcohol in the water will act, one, as a cleaning agent, but also as an evaporating agent so that you're not just leaving the windows wet. So the idea is that you're going to want to have the pad do most of the work. So just a light mist of this pure water mixture on there. Like I said, either by hand or on an extension pole, you can get up to those awkward angles. Now, if you have a situation where you're hitting some windows that haven't been cleaned in a while, they might be dusty, I do recommend that maybe you go up first with a duster, like a cobweb duster or something. Get some of the initial dust off the windows. You can either use that or even a T-bar with an old washer sleeve that you don't care too much about. Just get the windows a light dusting first before you hit it with this. Otherwise, you're going to get into like just a smeary mess. Then afterwards, like I say, just a light mist on this pad. Be able to clean several windows with each pad before swapping that to the other ones. Now to clean these, you can either wash them underneath the sink and let them air dry or wash them in the washing machine. I also still recommend that you let these things air dry. Whenever you're drying things with in the dryer, sometimes you can introduce lint and other stuff onto the pad. So air drying is my recommendation. If you have a water-fed pole where the top, either the tip or the angle adapter comes out of that top clamp, usually what you can do is also stick on our Legend trad adapter, so you can use your water-fed pole. This is really great if you need to go really high up or you need a pole that's nice and rigid. You can, multi-purpose your water-fed pole. So far, this is compatible with Black Knight poles, Zero, Gardner, and Magnum poles. They may work with other different types of poles where that, like I said, the top clamp opens up. Otherwise, you could just use a traditional aluminum window cleaning pole. So there it is, the indoor cleaning kit. We've got this in a special price little package here. Go check it out, thewindowcleaningstore.com. Thanks for watching.